Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to create a bot by using famous RPA tool called Automation Anywhere. So let's have a look into the same. Actually, creation of bot involves three steps. Create a bot, connect your bot to your computer and run the bot. I will show you practically how to execute these three steps. So let's have a look into the same. Actually, Automation Anywhere provides two editions. One is Enterprise Edition and the second one is Community Edition. So the Enterprise Edition, as is mentioned, it is for large and mid-sized enterprises, whereas the Community Edition for small businesses, developers and students. Once you have decided which one is your requirement, then to download the software, you need to click on this link. We need to copy this link and paste in your browser. I will share the I will post this link in the description. Please copy the same and paste it into your browser. For Community Edition, click on Start Now. For Enterprise Edition, click on Start Free Trial or Buy Now. For Enterprise Edition, actually Community Edition is free, as Enterprise Edition is paid. Automation Anywhere provides free trial for 30 days for in case of Enterprise Edition. After that, you have to get buy the Enterprise Edition. So I have the Community Edition with me. I will show you how to create the bot and how to download the Automation Anywhere bot agent and installation. So for Community Edition, you have to click on Start Now and fill all these details and check these two boxes and click on Get Free Community Edition. After that, click on Get Free Community Edition. You will going to receive one mail containing the link of control room along with the username and password, like this. Click on the control room, link of control room, enter your credentials. For the first time, it will ask you to change the password. Do the same, and it will ask you to set the security questions. Do the same. After completing the process, it will be redirected to the home page of the control room. This is the login page of your control room. So this is the home page of control room. These are all the components of the control room: home, dashboard, activity, boards, my device, administration. All these components will be explained briefly in the coming videos. So now we have to create a bot. For that, click on create a bot. Give the bot name as per your requirement. I am giving test T2. Click on create and edit. See, these are the various commands used for creating bots. These will be briefly discussed in the coming videos. I will make use of these all commands in creating the bots in the coming videos. These are the variables I will discuss briefly in the coming videos. Now I'm going to create a bot. See, now I'm going to create a bot which displays the message which I have entered. Some message. For that, we need message box command. So I'm looking for message box command. Here over it is. Click on the message box command. Drag and drop between start and end. Enter the message which you want to display. Hi everyone. And scroll bar after how many lines you want. I want 6. And how many seconds This message will be displayed. I am entering 6. This message will be displayed for 6 seconds. After that it will be disappeared. This is the name of the title window. You can change it, and after that click on save. Now your bot has been created. See, now your bot has been created. It will show you the message which you have entered over here. So now the bot has been created in your control room. You have to run this bot. We need a device. I have a computer. I will run this bot in my computer. So we need to provide the connection between the control room and the computer. For that, Automation Anywhere provides Automation Anywhere bot agent. See, I have already downloaded Automation Anywhere bot agent. I will tell you how to download the same. See, for your reference, so I have already recorded one video. I am going to show you now. See, after creating your bot, you should not click on run. There is a error message will be displayed for you. For the first time you have opened the control room, no? Error message will be displayed over here for you. See, for me it is not displaying. Green tick is displayed because I have already installed the automation bot agent. For you it will be displayed like this. Please follow this video. Click on the same. See, it will ask you to connect the device. Click on connect to my computer. I will install it. See, now automation bot agent will be downloading. I have already downloaded, so I am cancelling. Download it. See, and after that, see, already have downloaded automation bot agent. Right, double click on the same automation bot agent. It will be installed in your computer. It will take some time. It will be going to install in your computer. After installing, green tick will be displayed over here. Then I click on I installed it. Then it will ask you to enable the Automation Anywhere extension in your Chrome browser, any browser which you are using. See, it is installing automation bot. After that, click on I installed it, and it will ask you to enable the automation Anywhere bot agent extension in your browser. See, it will ask like this. Green tick has been displayed over up. After installing bot agent, green tick will be displayed, and click on enable it. Because I have already add extension, I have disabled it. For you, it will be ask you to enable the extension. Enable it. Click on I enable it. Get automation anywhere and extension. Click on enable it. After enabling, it will be automatically connected to your computer, and it will be for the first time now. Your bot will be executed automatically, and you can see, yeah, green tick will be displayed over here for you also. If the successful, if your if your success if your control room successfully connected to your computer, then the green tick will be displayed over here. Then your bots will be executed in your computer. See, now click on run. This speed is basically depends upon your internet connection, speed of your internet connection. See, my bot has been executed. Hi everyone. See the time now, 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, it has been displayed. See the every change. See, at starting I told you no variables. Now I will display my OS name. This is the OS name. Now I will call this variable over here. Arrange hi everyone. Press F2. Go to system name, OS name. Click on S insert. And then click on save. Then click on run. Now my OS name will be displayed. Operating system name. See the every change. Windows 10 64-bit. See the time. After 6 seconds it will be disappeared. Close. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.